Alright, let's do the exercises together. So in the first exercise, the task is to open the brackets using only present continuous. Again, present continuous is formed with the correct form of the verb to be plus verb plus ing. Be careful about spelling. We are trying to do our homework. We are trying. The verb try finishes in y, but you know that in present continuous, or when you add the ing form, it doesn't matter that the verb finishes in y and there is a consonant before that. Nothing changes here. Okay. They are planning the weekend. Plan, short verb, finishes in consonant, vowel, consonant. So you need to double the last consonant. I am making a plan. Make finishes in E. When the verb finishes in E, you just add ing. I am making a plan. She's eating in the kitchen. Eating finishes in consonant, vowel, vowel, which means that you don't need to double the last consonant. It is snowing outside now. Nothing specific here. My brothers are playing outside. Again, the verb finishes in y, but in present continuous, absolutely nothing is changed. The next exercise is more interesting. And in fact, from now on, your exercises will be getting more and more interesting as I have tried, in fact, to include as often as possible everything that you have learned. You will see till the end of the course. So, open the brackets in the correct tense. Fast revision. Something happens every day. We use which tense? Present simple. Now, present continuous. Yesterday, past simple. Okay. She goes shopping every day, but now she is going to the gym. Something happens every day. Goes, present simple. But now she is going. Contrast. Now, present continuous. Now she is going. He washes the car every week, but last week he was ill and didn't wash it. Every week, something happens usually. Present simple. Last week, past simple. The verb to be in past, be was. Okay? Not wash. To form the negative verb form in past simple, you need didn't plus the verb, didn't wash. The music is so loud that I can't do my homework. You speak about the present. The music is so loud that I can't do my homework. Can't, modal verb. You remember this one. After the modal verb can't, you need the infinitive. Can't do. They are watching TV now. Now, something is happening at the moment, which means present continuous. They are watching TV now. I hope you did it. If you have any questions or if you found it more difficult, it's not a problem. That's the first time, in fact, in which there were sentences with different tenses. So, if you have any doubts about rules that we have already spoken about, please come back to the lecture and watch the video again. If something is not clear, just ask me. See you in the next video.